So Nelson Nash said, okay, so how can we do this from below, from where we are? How can we take control of our dollars where we
Okay.
are and create our own banking system? Not a bank, but a banking system that stays within our family, that we own and control.
Wow.
And so, and even when it comes to bank and to banks in general and credit unions, we actually had several bank closures and failures last year,
Yeah, we did.
major ones. And
Right.
so, and when it comes to that, so yes, it is quote FDI and FDIC insured, but only up to a certain limit. So if you
Okay.
have more than that limit, you're just out of luck
Wow.
for rather than with insurance companies. So let's say if an insurance company comes out of business, another one swoops in and takes in. So your contract, it is still in place. You're
Okay.
still able to keep and maintain your banking system
Hmm.
versus with a traditional bank or a credit union.
Right. And that's some of the chances that you take. Nothing is for sure. So you definitely want to make sure that what you have invested is insured.
Mhm.
I didn't even know that you could do that.
Yeah.
So
I didn't either
that's
until last year, until I started doing more research and looking into it and also practicing it myself.
yeah.
So whenever I'm working with clients, like, no, I tell them, like, no, I'm a client myself, and I'll be opening up more banking systems as I continue to build my business, as I continue to increase my income. I'm
Right.
I'm I'm practicing this myself. So we're going through this process together.
Yeah.
And this is a process that's been around for over almost 200 plus years, and
Right.
actually longer than
Mhm.
that. Banks have only been in existence not as long, but we've had many, 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 many bank failures.
Yeah.
We've had many, many, many stock market failures,
Definitely.
real estate failures,
Hmm.
but that stays forever.
Wow.
Yeah, that's forever.
That is crazy. I mean, I know that there had to be a way that people were keeping their money before they decide to create the institutions of the banks.
That's how the wealthy people did it. How
Okay.
the big names that you've heard of, Rockefellers, so
Hmm.
many other, like the big, like old
Old
money.
money.
That's how they did it.
Wow.
And so they use these tools. J.C. Penney, what's it, Sam Walton, I believe, Harley Davidson.
Hmm.
They use these types of tools to be able to go to be able to go build their businesses. Walt Disney, they use these infinite banking tools to go build their businesses, and then once
Wow.
they were able to just go back and forth.
Yeah.
So be the bank and also own their business too.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. If you're your own banker, how can you lose?